If you ever want to get overwhelmed or just really notified when you get a notification by getting a flash of light just flashing in your face, or because you lose your phone often, or you just really want to pay attention on your phone, this video is for you. Alright, all you have to do is go to your settings, click on that, scroll down until you see accessibilities, click on that, and now scroll down all the way until you see audio and visual, click on that. Now scroll down one more time until you see LED flash for alerts, click on that, and then you just turn it on right here, LED flash for alerts on. And with this, now you're gonna be getting flashes anytime that anybody sends you a notification, a text, a phone call, or any other notifications that may be coming your way. Honestly, when I had it on, it was because I used to lose my phone a lot, and this helped me find it whenever I called it. But again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you.